isang nabuong love team.
Yes,
Wala rin isang Netflix na, napanood natin sa Netflix na series, sa Pinapay in Love. Yes! Kahit, congratulations, Aspenina. But of course, ang love team na I'm referring to ay ang Snowreen. Yes, Anthony Jennings and Marissa Kat, you are now together again sa isang project. So, can you tell us about your feelings nung natanggap niyo yung news na magiging part kayo together ulit sa isang project, yung coming from the success you get by Me Love?
Well, noong binasa mo na namin yung script, tapos nung nakita ko na parang, medyo may glitch pa rin na, yung pagka-story. Hindi naman sobra, pero doon pa rin yung fun. So parang, sabi ko makaka-work ko rin si Marissa. Alam ko naman na masarap kita mga si Chris. Yung mga eksena namin talagang pumapatong-patong kasi dami namin naiisip talaga na pwede kong katotong lines na to, tapos sabayan mo ng ganito, mga gano'n. So parang laging nagbibigaya kami palagi sa isa. Happy ako maka-work ulit si Marissa.
Super happy ako na maka-work ulit si Anthony. And, nung nalaman namin na action yung gagawin namin, as in sobrang excited talaga kami. Well, ako, may pressure kasi hindi pa ako talaga nakasabak ng action talaga. Ever. Siguro yung action lang na nagawa ko na dapa, ganyan. Pero, ganon. Pero dito talaga may intense training. And then, happy kami kasi yung mga scenes na nagawa namin so far, funny. Nakakaaliw ulit. Kami na naman magbibigay ng happiness. And yeah, excited na makasama ko ulit.
Nakita nga namin sa trailer yung may konting kilig parts sa ganun.
Yes. Sweet.
Teaser lang. Ano pa kaya yung mangyayari, di ba? But congratulations on this project. Yes, okay. Now, let's go to our last two questions. And this is coming from Alex Brosas of Daily Tribune. And this is for everyone. Kung sino man po gustong sumagot. What is exceptional about the show na nagpa-accept sa inyo or to make you accept it? And also, medyo connected na rin doon, idikit na natin from Jimmy Alarcon of the Rewind channel. Out of all the projects that you've done in the past, what makes Incognito different? So bakit yun tinanggap and what makes this different from other projects? Who would like to answer first? Mr. Baron Geisler?
Yeah, for me it's very new to me to really open my heart sa cast, sa crew. Everybody na mula sa writer, director, and then because of this show, mas maiyak ba? Mas nakakuha ko yung mga kasama ko, hinihilan nila ako pataas, paakyat. And they're really, like kay Direct Lester, the entire team ng Star Creatives, nung miniting nila over this show, they said, Baron, you know, we just want to help you straighten out your life, and we're here to support you. Tapos, bonus pa yung nagtutulungan kami, may relationship talaga kami sa isa't isa. Like, nung I flew to Japan to shoot a movie, message sa akin si DJ na, pare, ilipad ka, huwag ka magalat dyan, ha? That really meant a lot to me, di ba? So nakita ko na sobrang laki rin ng changes ni DJ, mature na rin siya. And then si Kuya Ian naman is my mentor, big brother, na kapag may mga questions ako about life, napaka-deep ni Kuya Ian. Kasi sa age, diba, wisdom eh. Puro-puro na wisdom. Space bro, pareho tayo, dito, medyo may edad. Tapos, yun lang. For me, I just want to continue doing my best, giving my all, to be a dependable actor, and to just open my heart sa hindi lang sa show na to eh. Kasi nadadala ko yung good attitude, manners, behavior sa iba pang mga nakakasama kong production. So I really am grateful sa Star Creatives, ABS-CBN, Direct Lester, everyone. I love you guys, buong cast. I love you guys.
Hold on. Parang iyak na eh.
Oo nga, ibang-iba talaga.
Nice one.
Yes, ibang-iba yung project na to. That's what makes it different for Mr. Baron Geister. Yung love talaga, even beyond work, di ba? Andun yung care and yung
Basketball
support.
ka, di ba? We play basketball
Yes.
between shoots.
Gusto ko na
May
hirap na
accountability. May accountability kami sa isa't isa. That's what I mean.
Thank you, Barry. Appreciate it. I'm sure everyone will, remember those words coming from the heart.
Who would like to answer next? Kung bakit niyo po tinanggap ang project na to and what makes it different from your past projects? Maurice?
Well, I think naman all of us, we all feel so lucky to be part of the show. Kasi nung nalaman namin, minitig kami, nung nalaman namin na maging part na kami, it's super exciting kasi this production, even nung pagkasabi ni Direk Lester, they all want to reach something for action here sa Philippines. And sobrang happy kami, naging part kami nito kasi gusto talaga nila mag-break ng boundaries lahat. Marami silang gusto i-achieve. So yeah, daming excited. First time namin magawa, super ganda ng pagkagawa ng mga stunts, ng actions, ng scenes, ng costumes, everything, mga guns, super ganda ng lahat. And ang ganda din ng story kasi somehow nagme-mirror siya of what's really happening in the country and all over the world. Maraming mga issues na i-resolve, maraming mga may ilahad sa mga manonood. So yung mga nangyayari in real life. Yung mga sad naman nangyayari. So yeah, parang it's action-packed but it's also full of heart, the show.
Yes. Tsaka parang may social relevance akong nakuha dun sa answer niya. And ang ganda rin, may goal pala, no, to elevate the quality of action dramas here in the Philippines. And trailer pa lang, kitang-kita na natin yon, andun na talaga. Yes. So supportahan po natin January po yan, mga kapamilya. Okay, who else would like to answer po?
Maybe si Kyla. She's like sitting there. Yes.
Yeah, well, for me personally, it's my first time doing something of the action genre, and it's also something that I've always wanted to do. So when I heard about it, and then when I heard that I was going to be a part of it, I was really very excited, and at the same time nervous. And syempre, I still feel quite nervous because it hasn't aired yet, and syempre, we all want it to be successful, and we all want it to do well because we've put so much of ourselves into the show. And we have a lot of faith because we know what we've put into it, and we're also very excited for everybody to see it. So yeah, personally for me, it was a lot. It was such an exciting project to take on, and finally, I'm doing something that I really wanted to do for a long time. And sobrang saya ko because sobrang saya ng tapings namin, honestly. Because we're all together, we all have so much fun with each other, not just us as a cast, but even with the crew. So it's such a joy to go to taping every day, to see each other every lock-in cycle, and to spend time with each other. So it's really, though it can be physically exhausting at times, but yeah, it makes it so much more fun and such a joy to wake up every day and see each other kasi ang ganda ng friendship na nabuo namin as a cast. And I'm so excited for people to see that and for it to reflect on screen as well.
Galing. First time din pala niya at matagal niyang hinintay yung ganitong project. So like Maurice, it's your first time also, Kai, na action. Ikaw, Anthony.
Ako first, nag-iron na ba? Pero hindi masyadong maraming action sa Iron kasi yung time na yun. Pero ito yung first project na parang, nga sabi ni Tito, yung pinakamalaking project na puntahan niya. So sobrang tagal niya na sa industriya. So parang ako nabago pa lang ito na tapos parang sobrang excited na din kasi ako. Kasi simula ng training pa lang ng Muay Thai, nakikita ko na agad yung kalalabasan. Parang nakikita mo na yung mangyayari agad sa show. So parang, ayun, mas nalaman ko pa yung mga cast na kasama ko. Nandito yung sila, Richard Dolet, mga parakong action stars talaga. So parang, parang sasabay sa mga kailangan ng training, papalaki ako ng katawan.
Paano yung preparation?
Papa-ups ako.
Papa-ups ka na?
Papa-ups ako. Next year.
Wait, next year, 1 month na lang yun, ha?
Pagtapos na yung show. Pero yun nga, sobrang different nung project nito. Sobrang kakaiba. Excited lang ako na makapunta pa sa mga ibang lugar, gano'n, and ayun, excited pa ako sa mga training kasi kahit ngayon naman ongoing pa rin yung mga trainings namin. So parang everyday learning pa rin siya para sa amin. And ayun, excited ako na lumabas na yung show. Ayun, sana ma-enjoy yung show. Kita-kita tayo.
Wait, so tuloy ko lang yun kasi sabi mo nga excited kang makapunta pa sa iba-ibang places, gano'n. Saan ka pinaka nag-enjoy so far? Doon sa mga napuntahan mo na?
Actually, Palawan. First time ko kasi pumunta ng Palawan. So parang yun yung... Italy rin naman. Pero syempre, yung Palawan, nakita ko si Kyla maging blue dun. Maging blue. So sobrang pagod niya kasi mainit yung time na yun.
Wait lang, paano naging blue si Kyla? Parang may kwento behind this.
Muntik na siyang Pero sa, di ba? Nakita ko yung pagod, yung exhaust ng lahat. Basang-basa na yung mga damit namin. Ang babaw na nga namin pag So ayun, ang saya ng sobrang fun ng show. So, pati yung boat ride pala namin papunta sa location. Yun yung pinaka-masal para sa
Kwento mo na lahat sabi ni TJ,
Kwento ko na lahat. Ayun lang po, thank you.
So dahil po dyan may separate interview po tayo kay Anthony Jennings after this. Wag po kayong aalis.
Baka sa season 2, baka malaki na yung katawan mo.
Iaabangan namin yung paabs
Next
ni
year.
Anthony Jennings.